This is the breakfast area with a view. Breakfast with a view. There are already few people there. We'll come back later for breakfast. Thank you. We are going out now. It's a little chilly. I really love this city because it looks so beautiful. But it's not even a... This is our hotel from the front. Like this. And there are just so many fancy cars outside. There are just so many waterfalls here. This is called, I think, Valley of Waterfalls or Land of Waterfalls. You can do like safari. You can go to Buabreen. That's a glacier we saw from the road, but you have to do like a lot of hike to reach there. And then there is the Fremastoltunga, which is a pretty challenging day hike. So it is a 27-kilometer hike and takes like 8 to 12 hours. So yeah, it's not for everyone. And ta-da! That's the view. This is the Netflix rock from the show.
So
it is some Norse proverb.
like those are like Norse letters.
Yeah,
And let me see if what it says.
yeah, you found it out.
Translate is.
And that is our hotel just behind this building. And weather is so far very nice. Sun is coming out. There is a cute church on the other side. And waterfall. Overall, it's a very beautiful place. We flew a little bit drone here, and then waiting. We will have breakfast and then we'll leave.
So this is our hotel, Hardanger Hotel, named after the Hardangerfjord. You see there. ছবি তুলতে চাইলে তুলতে পারি।
Breakfast with a view. So we are leaving from Hardanger Hotel in Odda, and today is like a waterfall day.
Yeah.
So yeah, we are leaving. Let's see how it goes. So we are using a credit card which doesn't have a pin. We have read sometimes it creates an issue. So we'll just pay inside and then fill up the tank.
See this kind of chocolates.
Want anything? Chips, any fancy chips? Yeah.
I'm gonna keep. Good morning. So I'm filling in number 2. Fuel save 95, and it is asking for a PIN for my master credit card. I don't have a PIN for my credit card. So I'm filling in like petrol. Number 2, yes. It is asking for a PIN for my master credit card.
You could pay in here.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
if you just go out, pull out the pump, start filling, I can open the pump.
Okay.
And then you just
Oh.
come in afterwards.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
we'll come back after filling up. Okay. This looks really nice. So he's now going inside to pay.
No,
It's not full?
it's not filled yet.
Okay.
Take a video of this. Minimum is 5 liters.
Now it sounds like okay.
Yeah.
20
20
liters.
liters.
20 liters, so 20 liters is 518 krona,
Krona.
which is around 50 USD. So this was our hotel where we stayed. See the mural of Trolltunga.
Which we
Want to do
may
someday.
visit someday.
Maybe not now. It's like at least 8 to 12 hours of hike.
Yeah, so it would take like 2 days for us.
Yeah, it will at least take 2 days for us.
Tunnel have their name,
Yeah.
and they also
Each
have the
tunnel have
length of the
names
tunnel
and
line.
the length. So that's very nice.
Many of the tunnels are like mountain tunnels, some are like undersea.
Yeah.
So presenting to you another of the beautiful toilet of Norway. We don't know exactly what the name of this toilet is, but you can see it has a shelter to it, and it frames the mountains on the back and the Hardangerfjord perfectly, right? Wouldn't you say so? And just to getting close to the toilet, it feels awkward, right? Exploring a toilet, but when it's so beautiful as this one, right? We didn't see any of those fruit shops in Odda.
Yeah. But we didn't leave that early, right? It was supposed to be roadside stops.
Yeah, because I think we came in late and then
Yeah.
we left early. So
You can see some road construction going on. It's a single lane road. We are approaching Hardanger Bridge. I think we'll be crossing it or what?
I'm not so sure.
So there is a roundabout in a
Inside
tunnel.
the tunnel. Yeah.
I mean, who could have thought?
Exit the roundabout onto the tunnel.
We see some wildflowers.
This is like a welcome center. Tourist
tourist
info.
info.
Apartment. Happy birthday. We are not invited. Lots of mothers with their child. Oh, see? These are not
These are-
people. See? This is
Yeah, these are like
like
statue,
yeah.
puppet.
Yeah. Interesting.
I think this is the town of Fjord.
Yeah, could be.
It was just written there.
Food
Fjord.
truck. Thai takeaway.
Thai takeaway.
Thai. Welcome from Voringsfossen. And we have just parked. It looks like a very popular spot, as you can tell from the number of cars. It's 11 in the morning and it's a little bit chilly. Not a whole lot, but enough for you to wear a layer of jacket. And there is a restroom. There's a viewing area and also a bridge. Let's go. Let's look at a nice spot.
And this is the Fossli Hotel?
Yeah, this is the Fossli Hotel.
Pretty crowded.
And that looks like a gift store, right? Yeah. You might want to pay a visit while coming back. So this is a construction that they have done for us to explore the falls. They have ice creams.
Det var jo over.
Right. I think it's like Niagara Falls, right? Where there are like multiple viewpoints to see. Yeah. See, that's another. That is what I have seen. You see that place?
Yeah. You can go all the way till there for another vantage.
So you see, there are a couple of waterfalls, and you see the rainbow. There's a rainbow. That's one waterfall, a rainbow, a piece of ice, another waterfall, and they have made construction areas all over the place for you to appreciate the waterfalls from different vantage points.
To hunt for ice cream. Oh, that's the strawberry one, the middle one. Yeah, it looks nice, no?
Yeah.
And the chocolate. Yeah, we're done.
So this is the Hardangerfjord Nature Center, also called Knox Nature Center. The Norwegians are like something altogether like different in terms of designing even public restrooms and nature center. Just see this building reflecting the mountains, and then I think they have that restaurant with grass on its terrace, as we have been seeing. That's just to keep temperature optimal. So if you see, there are sheep on the roof of the nature center. Quite amazing. So this is Hardanger Bridge. Yeah.
Bridge we were seeing from far.
We're going on the bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. See. It's like emerald green. That's the only way.
It's the one-way traffic. So that is where there is a traffic light. Now we can go. A very beautiful looking bridge, and on the other side is the fjord.
So we have arrived in Steinsdalsfossen. That's the waterfalls that you can see. And a pretty popular place from what I can even tell by the parking lot. We had to struggle for quite some time to get a parking. beach, and there's also a platform to go around the waterfalls. So this is a telephone booth with books also stored here, which you can take away. Right, yeah, it's lovely. Pulpit Rock and the three.
Hotel and Hotel.
There's a small souvenir shop. Not much of the hated social media trolls, but pretty.
There is also Lise Hotel. Which one is better? Kirag is better, right?
Yeah, yeah. So Steinsdalsfossen or Steinsdalsfossen come up close, and here is that platform to go up and around the waterfalls.
This waterfall, you can go behind the waterfall. This is what I'm trying to do now. Going behind the waterfall.
we have arrived at the Skjervsfossen.
Sorry for the bad pronunciation.
Yeah, we will have the spelling and everything in the description. And this is the restroom, and the water which is flowing down is actually falling that waterfalls. So this is the right. And if you see, here is the restroom, and that has actually glass. Hold this door. If you see, it has glass, and then water flowing. Ain't that great? Cool, huh? ক্যামেরা তো অনেক জল ঢুকে
So, can feel of it? Yeah. So I'm trying to go. You want to cover your head?
No, I'm good. No, but the Odda is
Yeah, we are just completely, not completely, but at least mostly soaked.
right.
I wore my rain jacket to stay a little protected.
See, there are stairs. Someone is brave enough to, step on this.
Exit the roundabout onto Steinsdalsfossen. In 300 meters.
Hello, we are in the Tvindefossen. This is a very beautiful souvenir shop, and this is the waterfall. It's really huge. waterfall. It's just a short walk from the parking lot. Oh yeah. So wherever you go, you just see so many waterfalls flowing through the mountains. This is the Flam railways. Supposedly it is the most scenic train ride in the world, and it goes all the way up to the mountain, and there is a waterfall, and there is also
Take the next left onto Stationsvägen, then your destination will be on the right.
there is also like a live performance. Yeah.
This is the place.
Yeah, this is the place I think where the
Where
boat-
the cruises are.
yeah, cruises dock.
Continue straight.
So we have arrived at the Flam beach. It's a fjord village, and it's Aurlandsfjord.
so beautiful. We are going on a bridge. Bridge. It's Stegastein signboard দেওয়া ডিরেকশন দেওয়া এদিকেই একটা লোক নেই ওড্ডার মতো লোকজন পার্টি করছে
আমার লাগে আমার দিকে আসবে বলে আমি ধরে যাচ্ছি গাছ। Hard to believe this kind of place exists.
We are going up the Stegastein Viewpoint, and it's near sunset time. The sun is already hanging low on the horizon. Still 5 minutes up. There are so many waterfalls along the road. Sheep crossing the road. Okay, yeah, this is the one. This is the one.
Park.
So we have reached the Stegastein Viewpoint, and it's near sunset. I think 20 minutes to go. This is already looking so epic. So we are at the Stegastein Viewpoint. It's looking epic here. The sunset. It's just a glass bridge. Sunset over Aurlandsfjord. Sunrise here. And there is our hotel, the white one.